Hello, I'm Dr. Ronnie Friedman, and I specialize in the recovery treatment of depersonalization and derealization. Today I want to talk about what causes this condition and what are the exact symptoms so you know if you have it or not. Cause. What's been going on in your life? Probably the last 3 to 6 months. Have you been upset about something? Have you been stressed about something? Is something going on at work or at school that is making you feel very stressed, thinking about it too much in a very worried and fearful way? This releases adrenaline into the system, and that chemical can make you feel wired and tired at the same time. What are the symptoms of depersonalization? Yes, you do feel wired and tired. You feel anxious most of the day and tired. You feel as if you can't wake up in the morning. Sometimes you feel a little better in the evening, but then you wake up the next day and it begins all over again. You feel anxious, wired, and tired. You also feel beside yourself. You feel as if you're looking at your life through a camera. You feel separated. You feel unreality. And when you feel this way, you get upset, and a cycle forms. Worry, fear, worry. And all this adds up to feeling overly tired, overly stressed, and not knowing how to handle this. The good news is, once you understand what this is, what it's not, and how to interrupt the symptoms, life returns to normal. Yes, you can stop these symptoms once you understand what they are and what's causing them. And it's your fearful thought, the everyday what-if thoughts that can go on and on and on, each thought releasing a little tiny spike of adrenaline. This adds up to feeling very anxious and very tired. Let's see what to do about this. Learn how to think differently. Once you recognize that you're doing this all day long, that you're what-ifing all day long, you can notice it and stop it immediately. Talk back to your brain. Tell your brain, I'm not doing this, I'm not going there. Also, learning to eat correctly for this condition. No alcohol, no nicotine, no caffeine will make this recovery a lot easier. If you have any questions that you want to ask me about this condition, I can be reached at info@anxietybusters.com, and I'll be glad to answer any question that you have. Also, you can message me at 215-410-0023, and I'll be glad to answer all your questions. You're not stuck with this. You will overcome it. You will recover completely. It's a rapid recovery. You don't have to worry about a long or drawn-out process. Once you understand this and what to do about it, life returns to normal. Take care and have a wonderful day.